In this video, we're going to show you how to master banded side steps the exact right way. So if you're ready to get stepping, let's get moving. So what I find to complete banded side steps correctly is you need a longer band like this. This is the band that we give to our clients in my clinic, and this is the band that you can find in the description below if you want to get one for yourself. So to set up for this, there's a couple of distinct things that need to happen. The band needs to go around your feet, and then your feet need to go outside of your hips. The reason for that is that's going to help you stay in better position and get better firing of those glute muscles, particularly glute medius, which is specifically what we're trying to target. So I have that band around my feet, and I'm going to cross that band. The most important thing after my feet are outside my hips is that I'm going to lean forward so that all my weight is on my toes. Now I want my heels slightly off the ground. This way it forces me to stay on my big toes as I go through the side step motion. So my feet are outside my hips, my weight is forward where my nose stays over my toes, and that weight is on the toes towards the big toe. And what I'm going to do from here is just take 6 steps each direction, or at least as much as I can with the camera. But the goal is that my trunk doesn't move. So what I don't want is the penguin walk. What I want is here, I'm driving through that back big toe and push, and push. And then same going the opposite direction. And you can see that my trunk stays nice and solid, and that I'm keeping my weight on my big toes as I go through this motion. I'm trying to make sure that I drive off the inside of that foot, and I don't do this to go, because if my knee goes out, that puts a lot of stress on that hip flexor. We want to really lock in and drive off the inside of that foot, which is why we want to keep the weight towards the toes. From this angle, I'm still forward, I take those steps, and I take those steps back. I'm seeing that everything stays nice and rigid. I'm in that hinge, and I can feel that that back glute, big pocket area, is what's producing the most muscle working feeling, if that's a word, through this motion. But that's the goal, is that we drive, we keep our feet out wide, we keep our center of gravity forward so we're on our big toes, which allows us to keep a good ankle position and really drive from side to side. That is how you do banded side steps correctly. I prescribe this to my clients to do about 6 to 8 steps each direction and try to do 3 to 4 laps. Now, if you're watching one of our follow along videos or movement of the days, then that will be prescribed. But if you're trying to do this on your own, try to get at least 3 or 4 laps. Get a good burn through those back pockets is the ultimate goal. This is how you do banded side steps. Thank you for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video.